Every morning at 8:30, he unlocks that rusty gate. Same old mirror, same old chair, dreams still hanging in the air. Scissors dancing, steel and grace, hope reflected on every face. Taxi driver, schoolboy smile, old man laughing for a little while. Street musician, business suit, every soul searching for truth. The barber listens, never judges, only trims what time can't touch. Hold it. How you been? Babylon keeps changing names, people keep playing games, but inside this little room, nobody asks how much you own, only how you've been. One chair, one mirror, one community, one song, one love. The Barber of Kingston cuts the hair, never the dignity, never the dignity, never the dignity. Whoa. Tomorrow, the door opens again.